Welcome to UniSellergy. In this video, we will understand how to create shipments both single and bulk using the order module. Let's begin step by step. Part 1. Create single shipment. Step 1. Go to the order module. First, go to the order module from the left side menu. On the listing page, you will see all your orders. In the order details column, click on any order ID to view complete order information. You will be redirected to the order detail page. Here, you can review order details, customer details, package details, breakout details, tracking information. After reviewing the order, return to the order listing page. Step 2. Click on Ship Now. In the Action column, click on the Ship Now button. You will be redirected to the Create Shipment page. Step 3. Create Batch. Select the product you want to ship. Click on the Create Batch button. A pop-up titled Product Batch will appear. Here, enter the package dimensions: weight, length, width, height. After entering the details, click Create Batch. The pop-up will close and batch number 1 will be created. Step 4. Select Warehouse and Courier. Inside batch number 1, select the warehouse. Select the courier service. Click on Check Rate. The system will fetch and display the courier shipping rate. Review the shipping charges carefully. Step 5. Submit shipment. Once everything is correct, click Submit Shipment. You will be redirected to the Shipment module. Initially, the label status may show Label Not Available. Please wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the label is generated, click the Download button. Print the shipment label and attach it to your package. Your single shipment is now ready. Part 2. Create Bulk Shipment. Now let's understand how to create shipments in bulk. Step 1. Select multiple orders. Go to the Order module. Select multiple orders using the checkboxes. After selecting the orders, the Create Bulk Shipment button will appear at the top. Click on Create Bulk Shipment. You will be redirected to the Bulk Shipment page. Step 2. Select Warehouse. On the Bulk Shipment page, first, select the warehouse. All selected orders will be displayed below. Step 3. Enter package dimensions. For each order, enter the package dimensions: weight, length, width, height. After entering the details for the first order, click on Check Rate. The system will fetch and display the courier shipping rate. Repeat the same process for the remaining orders. Enter the dimensions and click Check Rate for each shipment. Reset shipment if required. If you want to clear all entered package details, click on the Reset Shipment button. This will remove all previously entered dimensions. If your details are correct, you do not need to use Reset. Step 4. Submit Bulk Shipment. After verifying all dimensions and shipping rates, click Submit Shipment. The system will process the shipments and redirect you to the Shipment module. Step 5. Check shipment status. In the Shipment module, you will see Courier status as Pickup Scheduled. Label status may initially show Label Not Available. Please wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the label is generated, the Download button will appear. Click Download. Print the shipment labels and attach them to the respective packages. Your bulk shipment process is now successfully completed. Cancel shipment if required. If you need to cancel any shipment, go to the Shipment module. Click on the Cancel button for the selected shipment. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to confirm. The shipment status will update to Cancelled. Final summary. Using the Shipment module in UniSellergy, you can view complete order details, create single shipments, create bulk shipments, Enter package dimensions, check courier rates, submit shipments, download shipping labels, cancel shipments when required. This makes your order fulfillment process simple, fast, and efficient. Thank you for using UniSellergy, one powerful platform to manage your entire e-commerce business.